I would like, if I may, to take you on a strange journey.
Alrighty, we are getting ready to make a run up to Custom Way. Got a phone call that the part was done, and come up, take a look at it, pick it up, pay for it, bring it home, and hopefully use it. Had an awesome time out at Opie's. Unfortunately, being out in that cold, I'm paying the price now. So, but it was a really good time. Opie, I just can't get over how awesome of a guy he really is and what he does for everybody and all the organizations. The Wounded Warriors, on and on and on and on. Toys for Tots, the Marine Corps, the police departments, the sheriff's departments, for the canines. Everything he does is just amazing. If you ever get a chance this coming season to go down there the first Saturday of every month down at Opie's Horsepower Farm for the cars and coffee, just to go down and talk to him is an awesome treat. So, and you always meet characters. So I'm even there sometimes. So there you go. And Opie too, awesome dude, Dan. I love you, bro, and I love that car, man. I love that Ford. That is something else. But we're gonna get going. Let me see if I can get the other cameras running. Part of the problem right now is the hands are so shaky that I'm having trouble maintaining things, and we will see what we will see. Let's ride. Yeah, so I thought it would be good to go up there and make a run up there, do a little video on the way up, pick up those parts. I don't know if I'll be able to install it today. Probably not. The way as shaky as I am right now, and the least grip that I have, we'll get it, but we'll get it put in. But that'll be ready for the January season. The January starts the Cavalcade of Customs, I believe, in Cincinnati. So we will start that out by going up there, and that'll be the official beginning of the car season. I'm looking forward to that. Now, it's an inside show, and the inside shows are not my favorite, but it's what we got. Inside shows can be pretty crowded, but it's nice to meet the people and talk to the people as long as everybody maintains a good, even personality. I know that there are some photographers and videographers that have a tendency to get really, really annoyed at people stepping in front of them and viewing the cars and stuff like that. But guys, remember, they're there for enjoyment too. You know, we can all take our turn, share, do our thing, and it all works out good. Well, let's listen to some music.
Kiss the sky. Yeah, police all around. Don't know if I'm coming up or down. Am I happy or in misery? Whatever it is, that girl put a spell on me. Help me, help me.
inside here and see what it looks like. Hopefully, maybe they'll let me shoot film inside. I don't know. But we're going to get inside. We'll be back one way or another. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Excellent.
37.54 is what it came to, and I'll get somebody to fetch that for
Gonna,
you.
gonna fetch my part.
Fetch part. Is that your hands-free device?
Yeah, I shake so much I just strap it to me. Today's a bad day. Shakiness wise. Good day, open my eyes.
He is here to pick up that mobility chair right there. There's
Oh,
that.
woohoo, look at that. A bill. Marvelous. Now if I could just turn this into the airlines that cracked it, that would be great.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, it has been that way. What we got, buddy?
There you are, sir.
All righty, excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that looks
Good day.
good.
Mr. Shields is on too, Brian.
All right.
That looks really good. All right. Thanks, Renee.
Thanks.
Say bye.
If we don't see you, Merry Christmas.
All righty, you too. All righty, that looked really good there. Yeah. Plenty of strength to it. They fixed the cracks on both sides, and I'll take and clean that hole up just a little, and we'll be in there. So I'm happy with that. We're going to get it back. Probably won't put it on today, like I said, but we will get it on as soon as we can, and definitely before January when we run down to the Cavalcade of Customs. So yeah, Custom Way Welding. You need anything done in this area, you can come up here. They got all kinds of snow plows, trailers, there's a lock house and storage, accessories, and they make and custom fabricate just about anything you can need for your trailer and trailer towing abilities. So give them a check out. Custom Way Welding. Back in the Gopher. On the road. Alrighty. We got our part. Looks good. Clean up the interior. They added a little bit where they built it up on the inside, so I'm going to clean that up. Looks strong. Hit it with some rust resistant paint, and be Bob's your uncle. In my case, it's my dad. And we'll be using it again. I miss my the original. The backup one that I've been using at the shows and stuff is really good, and the brand new TRIAXE that they came out with has a 500 watt motor instead of a 250, so it has a 500 watt motor and 3 speeds, which is cool. So it's got a higher torquing motor, and it should work out really well. But I like to get my original back up and running. It's just like a comfortable old friend. All the broken parts where my butt sits is all good and everything, and it's really nice. So let's get on back. Another song.
Metal
get this part. We're going to get it out. We'll take and put it in. We will put it in a couple days. Hopefully, and see how everything does. Still recuperating from that last outing, all out in the cold and everything, but it was a really awesome time. There'll be more of that coming. We've actually got where the officer puppy, the puppy dog canine, actually does some contraband finding and training and stuff, and they do a little talk about that. Hopefully it all turns out. My audio's not the best. That's one of the things that we're saving our pennies up to get now, is a good audio adapter and or microphone. And then we've got where Santa skydived in to the event. He was a little late. They had some airplane trouble. I think personally Rudolph got drunk and went out and partied too much at night, and they had a little grounding event, but got where he jumped and everything, and then it's really cool, so we'll put that up. But until then, we're home. I'm going to go in here and take some anti-shake, anti-pain, whatever medication, something anti-social medication, and hopefully get up tomorrow and start all over again. See ya!
Damn, that was annoying.